We got that fire warm and the stars are out tonight. All I need is you and I. You're the one I adore, and with you by my side, we are free in paradise.
Hi guys, welcome to another video on the channel on the video. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a little resort tour of Eklo Valley.
Yeah.
It's a good budget option if you decide to stay off site at Disneyland Paris.
It is, we've just checked in.
We just checked in, and we've also had a look around the entrance, like the reception area, restaurant area, so we'll talk about that when we get to our room. Just a quick little video here of the car park. So it is raining, so I'm going to make this really quick, but as you can see there are loads of spaces, and the good news is there is actually a gated access, isn't there, which I will show you in a minute, but literally someone's just used it. So there you go, so that there is gated, so you don't have to worry about your car. And literally, as you can see, there are just loads and loads of spaces. It's a 3-story hotel, and everything is accessed via the outside. This here is your like reception, cafe, bar, and like utility area. You've gone around there, have you? So what we're going to do, we're going to move the car now, and we're going to check into our room, and we'll show you around the room, eh? Yeah.
And this is the other side of the car park, so we've just drove on through the gate. Like I say, it is raining, so we've got to be careful with the camera, but you've got plenty of parking.
There's so much parking here, isn't there?
Yeah, you've got all this down here, you've got all this section here as well. Say it's a Saturday night, it's very quiet in here, but we're apparently on the ground floor. I don't think we've been on a ground floor before.
No, we never got a ground floor.
So yeah, we'll find the room and we'll show you where it is, what number we are, and show you in the room as well.
It's your lucky number, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Numero 4. I think it's a 4, unless it's a 9.
Numero cat.
I think it's a 4 or a cat. So we'll go find the room now we're parked.
Yes.
And we'll show you.
We will. Okay, so from the car park then, you've got your rooms here. So we're room number 4.
E-boy.
There we go. And this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's very small.
Yeah, we have stopped here before, so we know what to expect.
Yes, we know what to expect with these. So it is cheap. It's only around 60-70 euros per night.
Yeah, it's not a lot at all.
So that's really good. So a little breakdown then. So you got your key holder thing, lights,
you
window.
do need your card for your lights to work.
Yes, you do. I think you can put any other card in there though, I think.
I think so, yeah.
So window opens like that, or you can put it all the way up and have it just a little bit open. You just want a bit of a breeze. Now, you may think, where's the curtain? There's no blind, there's no curtain, but there is a secret button that's behind all this stuff. There. So if you press that down, as you can see,
it's on the outside.
it's on the outside. And you know what? These blinds work so well, don't they?
Yeah, they block the light out really well.
They do block the light out. Like once we decided we'll just stop in and we'll wake up when we wake up. You did that at a good time, didn't you? We said we'll just wake up and we'll just...
Yeah, we'll wake up naturally.
Naturally, and I think it was about 11 o'clock.
Yeah,
and it was pitch
so
black in here. So yeah, you can literally pull that up, down, and then there's like a stop button as well if you just want to stop it. If you want like half and half, you can do that. Wardrobe, well, that's it.
Yeah. Please get some hangers.
Yeah.
But it's right above a heater though, so if you've been out and it's been raining, which it's going to rain,
yes,
you can hang your coats up or clothes up, because we've done that quite a few times, haven't we?
Yep, we have. Yep, absolutely. And there's also hooks on the side you can hook your coats on, and that shelf is like the perfect size for a loungefly.
It is. You get both loungeflies up there ready and packed for the next day.
Yeah, absolutely. So you got this little desk area, which has got our bags on there, and a chair. You also have a little heater down the bottom. Now they do say about the locks, apparently they don't work very well.
She didn't say it today, actually.
No, she didn't.
So let's
I don't know
fix
if
them.
this says it here or not. Yes, there you go. Our doors are a bit tricky.
Yeah.
So essentially, if you lock this, then you might not be able to get back out again. Yeah. Basically, without using the key card on the outside.
Yeah. So you'd have to climb out the window.
Yes.
But
to do it,
we've stopped here 4-5 times.
Yeah.
There's no. Don't worry about the door not being locked. it's fine.
Yeah, because no one can open it from the outside via the key card.
Exactly.
That still works, just the fact you can't like double lock it. So if someone scans the key and opens it, like you should be able to lock it, but you can't basically.
Yeah. But it's fine. It's safe, you're secure.
Yeah.
We've been here many times, nothing's ever gone missing.
No.
It's fine.
No, exactly that. So we have opted for a twin room, as you can imagine with the amount of space you get. Like literally, that's one side, well that's the other, and then that's it. You can imagine a double bed in here is very snug, isn't it?
Yeah, so normally with the doubles,
Your double bed will be here.
they go like here, so you've got a little tiny bit to walk around at the bottom.
How you walk around
and then
there.
into the little bathroom.
Yeah.
So
and you telly on the wall. Whereas here with the twins, it's a swivel, so you can like pull it out and you can swivel it to where you want it, which is better because when we've stayed here a few times, we wanted to plug our fire stick in. In the doubles, you can't because they're flush to the wall and you can't get your hands behind it, can you?
no, so we tend to go for the twins now just because you do get that little bit of extra space.
It's loads more spacious. Like you can
Loads more.
Yeah.
Space.
Where's the space cup?
So much space. Need to see it all.
We love space.
So yeah, if you are coming here for a few days, bring a couple extra pillows because that's all you get. Unless, of course, you don't like big pillows, but
Yeah, we like higher pillows, but because we're only here for one night, we just didn't bother.
yeah, you do get a charger by each bed, a USB and a standard like plug, which means you sock your eye on it in the night.
Yeah. Well, I don't. You'll just fidget.
These lights are nice too. Like stars in them. So you got that by your side there. Do you want to take around the amazingly big bathroom?
Massive bathroom.
Yeah.
You ready? Hello. So,
That's it.
toilet and a brush and very small toilet roll, but there is another one up there, thankfully. And then if I get on the toilet, we have a sink. There is a bin underneath the sink, and you've got your shower just there as well. The towels are on the bed, so you do get towels.
You do get towels. You get a
shower mat. And then you do get hand wash, and I think that's hair and body in there. To be fair, the showers are actually quite good.
Yeah.
They are pretty powerful.
And then me shut the door on you.
Yeah, about that. Oh. Yeah. We're not the smallest of people, as you are probably aware. Yeah, this is the space. So...
And not a lot of space.
The only thing I would say is if you want to travel with, like...
A
friend, depending how close you are with the friend, it might not be ideal.
Might be a case of your friend goes in there while you get changed in here.
Yeah, potentially. So that's the room.
Yeah, that's literally room tour, and you got the car park outside.
Yeah.
So we've already filmed around the reception building. We didn't want to talk for it because it's silent in there.
It was really
It's very quiet
in there.
weirdly. It's not normally that quiet.
I think normally we check in a bit later, that's why.
Yeah.
When people have already been to the park, they've come back, they're having a coffee and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we walked in and there was one guy's got some headphones in doing something, 2 reception people, and then that was it. And then a couple more people came in behind us, I think, to check in or whatever.
Yeah.
And that was it.
Yeah, but basically you're down there, you've got your like tea, coffee, there's some water as well, which is good. It just says help yourself on
I've
it.
never seen that before.
No, that's new.
So that looks like it
Didn't know
was
to do
new.
that.
Yeah.
Then as you go down, there's like a little seating area, loads of table and chairs because they do have a restaurant.
It is a very minimal menu. It is on their website.
Basically some pastas and that's about it, isn't
Maybe
it really?
pizza?
Well, I thought they did pizza. I couldn't see it on there.
Oh, maybe not then. Maybe it's changed. So check that.
Yeah, so
if you want it. They do offer a breakfast, but it's an upcharge. One thing that we popped in the little snip is there is actually a kitchen that you can use.
Yeah, you can use the kitchen. There's an oven, there's a fridge, there's a hob.
Is there
I think there's a microwave, there's an oven, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a microwave, there's a fridge. I think you just label it. Whether or not people are going to take your food or not, that's your choice to try it. We've never personally tried it.
No.
But all the facilities are in there for you to use. There's a little game machine.
Yeah, there's a
well.
game. Yeah, there's a games machine, and then there's like a big telly on the wall with
Big
like a little
sitting-
settee,
yeah.
sofa, like sitting area.
Yeah, it's like a little living room area, isn't it? They've got a big telly. I don't know if they're actually accessible, but there is some books underneath the telly as well.
Yeah.
Don't know if you can actually read them or not, but they are there. And then just round the side of that, it looks like decor, but it's actually a shop.
It is an actual shop. You can buy bits that's in there. Yeah.
Yeah, again, we've never brought anything, but I'm assuming because they look like they are locked.
Yes.
So I'm assuming you just go to reception and say, I just want this, this and this. Can I pay for it, please?
Yeah.
And they'll do that for you. And then next to that, you've got the little bar where you can get your drinks and stuff from.
Hot drinks, cold drinks, alcoholic drinks.
Yeah.
They're all available there.
Luke's parents brought a coffee.
It's a small portion.
It was a big mug.
Yeah.
With about that much coffee
Awful.
in. And it wasn't cheap.
No.
To be fair. But that's just next to reception. And that's basically it. You've got... It's small and basic, but it's nice. It's always clean.
Yeah, the beds are comfortable too.
They are.
Beds are really comfortable. We do recommend a twin, even if you would normally go for a double.
Yeah, we wouldn't usually, but...
Only thing we would say is, in summer, it's hot.
Yeah.
It's a very hot hotel.
It is very, very hot.
Like, it's warm in here now, and it's like 6 degrees outside.
Yeah.
I must admit, the radiator is on.
Yeah.
But it is a warm hotel, so I'd recommend bringing a fan. We've brought fans.
Yeah, we always have fans, but you know, even if you're normally a chilly person, it is hot here.
Yeah, my dad stayed here. He has like a million tog blanket on his bed at home.
Yeah,
and he said he was really hot.
Yeah,
and that was February last year.
Yeah, and even he was like, it's like a sauna in here.
Yeah, they are really hot rooms, especially further up on the floors. So just bear that in mind. Also, some of the floors do creak.
Yeah.
So you can hear footsteps above you a little bit.
A little bit. It's nothing major.
But it's like £60 a night. It's right near Disney. Honestly, we could drive to Disney and we'll be there in 10 minutes.
Yeah, easy.
If that.
Yeah.
So if you want to stay off-site, this is it's a modern hotel. It's not that old. When you look at it on satellite view, it's still being built on Google Maps.
I mean, we first came in 22, and I think it was built or opened earlier in 22.
Yeah.
So I think it's only, 3 years old?
It's only a few years old. But it is a nice hotel. It is basic, but it does the job, to be honest.
It does.
Like, we've stopped here. I don't know how many times we've stopped here now. We've sometimes stopped for one night just before going to Disney and like staying on site like we are this time. We've stayed for the full thing. You know, I think we've stayed 5 nights here at most.
Yeah.
In one go. And yeah, it's basic, it's small. You know, you're living out of a suitcase because of the wardrobe situation. But
if you're not planning on spending a lot of time here, which we don't when we go to Disney, for us personally, it's fine.
It's like 5-10 minutes to get here. Yeah. After the park's finished, it's 5-10 minutes to get there in the morning.
Yeah.
Just ideal, to be honest.
They do some different style rooms.
Yes.
So I think we've only ever had a double or a twin, but I think they do ones up to 5 people as well.
They do like little apartments, don't they?
Yeah, I think they do little apartments, but there's very few of them.
Not many.
And then I think they actually do rooms for one as well, I believe. I think it's like 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s and 5s, I think.
Yeah.
You'd have to check online, but they do have some bigger rooms and alternatives as well. But yeah, overall, we definitely recommend it.
Yeah, we really like it. We really like it. Yeah, it's cheap and cheerful.
It is small.
Yeah.
That's the only way we could describe it. The rooms are small, but if you're not planning on being in them, give it a go.
They're fine. So yeah, we hope you find this video helpful. I know it wasn't much of a resort tour because it's literally just downstairs and the rooms outside, the car park. That's it. But that's it, you know. Yeah. That's all there is to it. And what more do you want?
It's nice to see, isn't it?
Exactly. So if you are thinking about coming to Disneyland Paris, staying off site and want to know kind of where to go, it's worth mentioning the receptionists always speak really good English too.
They do, yes.
So always worth mentioning that as well. So you don't worry about that.
No, there's no language barrier at all. No, every time we've checked in, we've understood them perfectly. No problem with understanding English. Exactly.
It's a really good option if you want to come to Disneyland Paris and not stay on site and save some money. Come here. It's a really good fit. Yeah.
If you've got any questions or anything we've not covered, pop it in the comments and we'll try and answer it. Obviously, if we don't know, we'll try and point you in the right direction. But I hope this has been useful and thank you very much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
With your by my side, I gotta